What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an oil change on a 2018 Toyota Tacoma. So this is where I'm going to be lifting the vehicle. You can see on both sides. So this is how it looks once it's up in the air. So this is where I lift it from. Same thing on the other side. Next thing to do is to remove the 14 millimeter drain plug. So go ahead and loosen it and then drain the oil. Okay, once the oil is draining, you're gonna go ahead and remove four 12 millimeter bolts. This one here, this one, and this two right here, that one, and this one here. Once you remove the four 12 millimeters, the skid plate is gonna be hanging. So just go ahead and push it forward. And remove it. Next step is to remove the oil filter. So for that, you're going to need a oil wrench tool. Okay, I went ahead and loosened it up, and now there's no more oil draining. So go ahead and reinstall your drain plug with a new gasket. Go ahead and tighten the 14. So once you tighten the 14 millimeter drain plug, let's go ahead and loosen up the oil filter. Okay, now we're gonna be installing a new gasket, a new oil filter on the cartridge. So I'll go ahead and do that. Once you get that done, go ahead and install the new oil filter. And go ahead and tighten it. Okay, now we're gonna be reinstalling the skid plate. You could go ahead and hang it from these two hooks here. See the other hook, and it just hangs and reinstall the four 12 millimeter bolts, and go ahead and tighten all the bolts. Okay, so just make sure you tighten all the four bolts. Next thing we're gonna do is remove the engine oil cap, and this engine takes 6.2 quarts of oil. It takes 0W20. So go ahead and add oil, and after that, recheck it with a dipstick, and you should be good. So I went ahead and finished adding the 6.2 quarts. So go ahead and restart the engine oil cap. Go ahead and check your oil level with a dipstick. So I'm good. And so you should be good now.